Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Important: make careful note of the position of the hard disk drive bracket on the hard disk drive for later replacement. Disconnect the hard disk drive adapter cable from its connector on the hard disk drive. Remove the four 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the hard disk drive bracket to the hard disk drive. Lift the hard disk drive bracket off of the hard disk drive and remove. Place the hard disk drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the hard disk drive from the static dissipative bag. Place the hard disk drive bracket onto the hard disk drive. Replace the four 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the hard disk drive bracket to the hard disk drive. Connect the hard disk drive adapter cable into its connector on the hard disk drive.